what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You said my word.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time here, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I like to do different types of lifestyle videos, DIYs, anything mommy related. So if you guys are into those types of videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm currently posting videos 2 to 3 times a week, so you got to keep you guys updated with what's going on in my life, and hopefully it will help you guys out in yours. So today I wanted to share with you guys a room tour of my daughter's room, how I organized it and decluttered, and just kind of give you guys a little walkthrough tour of how I basically organize their room. Last year this wouldn't have worked for my daughter's room because last year both of my daughters had their own rooms, but this year we decided to put them into one room, and that room is super tiny. So we kind of had to declutter and get rid of a lot of stuff that we really truly the girls weren't even really playing with or using, and I just kind of had it in there because either I bought it, somebody gave it to us, and I felt bad letting it go. So this new system that I have has kind of helped me out a lot to declutter things that we really don't need in their rooms. I really hope that this video helps you guys out in some sort of way if you guys are in a similar situation and have more than one child that has to squeeze into a little bedroom, or you guys just have a small bedroom to begin with and you guys have to just settle for the bare minimal. So hopefully this video helps you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is their bedroom. It is not that big, but let me give you an overall room tour right quick so you can see what it looks like. So on this side of the door, we have just their purses. They only have a few, and I try to keep it to only a few. So this is what they have right now. And then on the back, just to make space, I have this just over the door coat rack or coat hanger. And so I just have their sweaters and jackets hanging on here. So the next thing here are the beds. They both each have their own bed, and these beds came from Walmart. If you guys are interested, I'll see if I can find the link below. But they, to me, are really nice and sturdy, and I do like them. So it does say on the mattress on the website that it doesn't require a box spring, but I personally prefer to have a box spring. I felt like it sat too low to the ground when it was just the mattress on there. So just FYI, if you guys don't like your bed sitting super low, I would suggest getting a box spring with this mattress. With this bed. Underneath here you will see their house shoes. That's just so they're not walking around in the house in their socks or barefoot. I have here is their, just, I guess, I don't know what you call this, like their vanity area slash toy storage area. So over here is just a little bit of decor. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. So they each have a sign on top of their bed as well, and they are just super cute. This one says, "She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future." Proverbs. And then this one over here says, "This girl runs on cupcakes and Jesus." And I thought that the signs suited, like this one particular suited my 5-year-old, and this one is for my 11-year-old. So I thought those were really cute. I got those from Hobby Lobby. And then this here is just a little unicorn decor that I did, a DIY, and then the little flowers are from Hobby Lobby, and then this banner is from the Target Dollar Spot. This year the mirror is from Ross, and then they got their little nightlight, and this is just the storage area. Right now they've got their books, so I tried to keep everything for my 5-year-old on this side, and then my 11-year-old has her books over here. along with their little devotional. So like there's my daughter's devotional for my 5-year-old, and then this is my devotional, my daughter's devotional for my 11-year-old, and I really do like this one. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link below for that one. And then in the middle here I just have a tray, and this is going to hold like my daughter's paperwork whenever they come home from school and I need her to empty out her backpack. Her homework and stuff is going to go in here. Right now we just have a couple of toys. We were in the middle of decluttering, so there's not that many toys right now, but we are still working on how we are handling it. But that one has like LOL stuff. This one has picnic basket. This one has all the little dolls and LOL and little trinkets from that my daughter loves to play with. This one is Barbie's. This one has all her play food, and this one is like a Doc McStuffins little set. We're still working on certain toys where we're housing them, where they're housed, so I will show you guys the other area where I keep them. Okay, so then on this wall we just have a hamper that we are using to store their dirty clothes into, which it is completely full right now. So that's where that goes. And then over here I just have a little cute sign, and then like I guess you would consider this like their little vanity area. This just houses their so right here they just have some nail polish that my little one likes to use. In here are her necklaces. I had this little bunny from last year, the Target dollar spot, and decided to put her little necklaces in there for her. This has their lotion, and then in here is just all their earrings that my older daughter likes to wear. Okay, and then this is another cubicle unit, except this one's only 6 slots. And so in here is where my older daughter has her stuff that she gets ready with in the morning, like her body spray, her brush, her sunglasses, an extra pair of glasses, and then deodorant, hair bows, things like that. So that's where that goes. And my little one is not in, her stuff is not in here because I get her ready in the morning and keep her stuff in my bathroom because that's what works best for us. In here are my little one's hair bows though, because she does have a ton of hair bows, so that's where all these are housed into. So this holds it pretty well, and these are really pretty. I got these from Target, and they were like $5 each. So right now they're having sales like crazy on these bins, and they do fit perfectly inside this cubicle unit. And then this area right here is blank on both of them because this is where they put their clothes for the next day. And so I just have them have those ready from the night before. And then down here is just a binder. My daughter likes to play with this binder. It's like Velcro learning binder. And then over here is my daughter's Bible. And then in here is her little trinkets, which she is a rock collector. She is a rock collector and loves collecting these really pretty rocks and quartz and things. So sitting next to this cubicle is my daughter's dollhouse. She loves playing with this. This one came from Target, and it just has all her little dolls and stuff inside. So I just keep it right here because it's so big. She can just pull it away from the wall and open it. It does open whenever she does want to play. So she really does like this dollhouse. And they used to have so many more toys, but I did get rid of a bunch, or technically I did get rid of a bunch, but I also moved some to the garage because they just weren't playing with them like they used to. So it's kind of good to, if you can, declutter, especially after Christmas and birthdays, and just keep the toys that they're really playing with. And if anything, put the rest in the garage. That way you don't feel bad if you got rid of it or gave it away, because you technically still have it. They just, before you do that final step and give it away, you will at least try it and see if they do in fact miss that toy. Okay, and the last area in their room is their closet, and kind of dark in there, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is the overall look of the closet, and it doesn't have a whole lot in there, or I guess it kind of does. So that's what it looks like. Up here, these first 3 bins have like out of season clothes. So like right now we're in the winter, and so it has a lot of their like tank tops and more summer clothes, shorts, things like that. This bin right here, it says gym. Those are for like gymnastics outfits, her ballerina outfits, things like that, that when my daughters were in dance and gymnastics, that's where I'm housing their uniforms, because I'm getting ready to put my little one back into dance, so we're gonna need those. This bin right here is housing all of their swimwear. So they've got towels. These are all beach towels, their swimsuits, wet bag up there. So they're all set. So whenever we go swimming, we're going to be digging in this bin right here and taking out what we need. This is just a purse, like a mini backpack that my daughter loves, and it doesn't have another home, so this is where we decided to put it. So this bin right here houses my daughter's dolls. These are the dolls from the Target. I forget the name of them, but they're like a American Doll dupe, and so there's that in there along with their clothes and things. And then so this bin right here houses some more these are more like crafts though, not necessarily toys. So as you can see, scented bath bombs, beads to make a necklace, and these were like these little sewing kits from Target. So this is where I like to store these things. That way they're not that easy to pull out whenever we have guests over, because these things have a lot of parts to them and they will definitely get lost. And then in this bin down here is where all extra shoes are. It is a pretty good sized bin. I think I got it from maybe Ross, and it's just a big basket that houses like all their other shoes that they're not currently wearing. Then up here are my younger daughter's clothes, all her shirts, and then her dresses. And then down here is my older daughter's clothes. And like I said, we have a full bin full of laundry that we need to do. So if she does overflow, I'll just kind of go up here and take part of hers. But in here is just, these are from Target. So these are just Sterilite drawers from Target, and they hold up nice. They do their job. I don't have a dresser for my daughters right now, so I just got 2 of those. They do come in 3, like a set. I don't know how to say that. They do come like 3-tiered. So there are 2 here, 2 3-tiered drawers, if that makes sense. But this to us works fine until we do get a dresser. This is what their clothes are in right now. So like their underwear, socks, tights, and pajamas. So that's what I have in there. And then this empty spot, right here houses their backpacks. So when they come home from school and empty out their backpacks, this is where their home is. So, and I almost forgot to show you guys, I do use under the bed storage. So both of my daughters have a little basket, or actually my 5-year-old has a basket, and this is where we keep like extra papers for her to draw and color. And then in my other daughter's bed, we keep this actually just belongs to her. This is her like drawing box that she got for Christmas. Has like every color you can think of. This is only for her use, not her sister. Her sister has the other box that we use that we keep elsewhere, but we do take advantage of under the bed storage. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did and you found it helpful in any way, shape, or form. I really do appreciate it, because that means that my videos get noticed more, and then YouTube will shoot them out more. That way I can get more views and just kind of grow my channel. So that is it for the room tour. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions on how I stored a particular item or anything like that. My biggest tip is to declutter, to be able to declutter your kids' toys and really set aside what they're not really playing with anymore. A lot of times us as parents, we feel bad because we spent a lot of money on an item or purchased it, and really truly if you watch your kids, they don't always play with, or maybe they haven't touched an item in a long time, and that's something that you can go ahead and store away and put away if you're not quite sure if you want to go ahead and get rid of it just yet. And my other tip is to make sure that everything in your room or your house has a home. It's taken me forever to finally grasp that concept, but yes, everything has to have a home. Everything from your car keys down to my daughter's backpacks, where they're going to go. I had to specifically make that little area in their closet so that they had somewhere where they would put their backpacks, so it's not just thrown all over the place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.